How to send recurring payments on Cash App, basically for subscriptions, right? You just open up Cash App, and then what you want to do is tap on the money icon at the bottom of the home screen, and then just enter the amount you want to send on a recurring basis. Now, what you need to do is choose who will receive the recurring payment, basically selecting a recipient, right? So you want to go ahead and tap pay and enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email. Then just double check that you have the correct person before proceeding, right? And then this is optional. If you want, you can also go ahead and add a payment note, right? Something like, you can type monthly subscription, rent payment, or gym membership, right? So you can basically track your payments. And what you can also do is you can manually set a reminder for recurring payments. Since Cash App doesn't support automatic payments, you'll need to set up a reminder. So use your phone's calendar or reminders app to create a monthly or maybe weekly or daily alert. And when the reminder pops up, simply repeat the first three steps to send the payment manually. Okay? And what you can also do is you can also go ahead and use Cash App's auto add feature to get you consistent funding. So just tap on your profile, you find at the top right, select linked banks and enable auto add cash. Just choose the amount and frequency, for example, either every day. And this basically helps you to ensure that your recurring payments never fail due to low balance. And you can also use a linked debit or credit card for the auto payments. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.